Our products can vary in model style. While the model used in this video may not look exactly like your machine, the procedure demonstrated here is very similar. Always unplug the machine from the outlet before working around any moving or electrical components. If you need to use power while diagnosing an issue, please use caution. Loosen but do not completely remove the idler bolts. Note the number of turns it takes to loosen them. Remove the side rail and motor hood. While turning the drive roller by hand, pull on the inside of the drive belt in order to walk it off the drive roller pulley. For ease of use, you may consider removing the drive roller completely. Please ensure that the treadmill is unplugged from the power outlet. Detach the wires connected to the drive motor. You will find those wires on the controller board. Remove the wires labeled A+ and A-. Next, locate and remove the AC hot wire from the controller. Find and remove the wire going from the drive motor to the back of the reset switch. With a second person holding the drive motor, locate and remove the two drive motor mounting bolts as shown. Lift the drive motor out. Hold the new drive motor in place as a second person tightens the two drive motor bolts. Replace the wire that was unplugged from the reset switch. Reconnect the AC hot wire. Plug the black wire onto the A- connector and the red wire onto the A+ connector. Replace the drive roller. Walk the drive belt onto the roller just as it was taken off. Replace the side rail and the motor hood. Tighten the idler bolts the same number of turns it took to loosen them.